Hi guys, it's me back with another video. Today we're gonna see what is in an Fgteev toy, one of the squishy ones. I don't think no one has done this before, but hey, I just want to do it for fun. But let's get it. So I got my scissors, I got my cup just in case, and let's find out. I'm going to cut it about here. So it's hard. Oh, I cut it open, guys. Ugh. Gotta get everything out of here. So guys, this kind of means this money is gone now, so is it the hole where I cut it in? Yep. Oh, it smells like, hold on. It's like water, a lot of water mixed with Kleenex. That's what it smells like. Maybe because it's been in here, so that's actually a lot of water. Wow. Well, it's gone, so let's just tear it. Just tear it. Oh. Oh, what the? Oh. Guys, there's something in here. Let's turn it inside out so y'all can see. Look, there's like a little bobble thing right there. I wonder if I can get it out. Oh. God, I suggest you shouldn't get this in your mouth because I just did. I don't think that's poisonous, hopefully. Well, that will be it for my video, guys, since it ended really fast, actually. There's nothing else to cut open, so well, like and subscribe to this video. And by the way, just letting you know, I don't have a Twitter's account or any of that stuff. Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, yeah, I don't have that stuff. And you know what I'm talking about, so don't even try to look up my name in there, because I don't even create one. But subscribe and like the comment, subscribe and like the video, and leave a comment. And here's today's question. If you go to Walmart and you had $12, what would you get? Well, it's time for me to go, everybody. Bye.